Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this whole house water filter system for city or well water. I'm going to unbox it here and show you exactly everything that comes inside of this box. So this is the front of it here. More water purification options, company info on the side, a little bit of specs back here, but a lot of this is in Chinese, so it's a little harder to read. More company info on the side. Well, let's open it up and see what all we have here. So it comes with this whole kit here. Very nice. I have a couple of these. This little hose here that looks like a gasket ring, and then these three are a little harder plastic than these are, and that's just a quality check thing with the company logo. Then you have your pre-filter product instructions here, a little bit of how everything would go together, product installation, sizes, what these accessories actually are. There's some more specs of the sizes and everything, and there's even a whole video you can watch on exactly how to use this. Then we have this nice metal adapter here, and then another one here, and then this is the actual filtration system, and that's it for the box. So here it is in all of its glory. So a little bit of a company name and information right here, capacity, water purification, working pressure, etc. And this is where you would just tie it right in to your lines, whether they're sewer lines, city lines, etc. And it would go through and filter your water. I do like this little on-off switch here. Very nice. But it definitely feels like a quality product. It doesn't feel cheap in any way, shape, or form. You do have this gauge on top as well. So this is essentially everything that would come inside of this package if you were to order one of these for your house. Thanks again to Wheelton, who was nice enough to send me this to unbox and show you exactly everything that comes inside of here. You should be able to follow these instructions and get this installed on your house, or of course have a plumber come out and take care of it for you. That is more of what I would recommend. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.